this video, we're going to be talking about Face It, which is a mineral BB dust with an SPF of 50+. So why do we call this a mineral BB dust?
So we have all heard of BB creams. So many people come to me and say, oh, what's a good BB cream? BB cream this and BB cream that. BB cream can stand for many different things, but what it basically means is a product that has multiple features, it has multiple benefits. It's going to provide SPF and coverage and some health benefits to your skin. So we do have a really great mineral BB cream, but one of the best things about this product is that it can be used on the go. This, if you'll demonstrate for everybody, is a powder-based mineral sunscreen. It also provides some coverage, some light coverage, and also can go right on over your makeup, or you can even use it as your makeup. A lot of our athletes that are involved in outdoor activities love this to refresh their sunscreen and their coverage during their activities. And so you see Lily Kate was able to use that product, no water, no mess, not having to wash her hands, super easy, throw it in your bag and go.